Hello humans. And we're going to be making sausage rolls, but right now I need to feed the dog, so let's make sausage rolls. And the sausages that I'm using they've not got meat in them, but that doesn't really change anything. It doesn't change anything about the way that you cook them, so that doesn't matter. You can use any type of sausage you want. I learnt this recipe from my nan. Thanks, Nan. We're going to start with one roll and see how we go. Why is it wet? I don't know. Condensation, maybe? Look. It's dripping. Keep the pastry nice and soft. Don't know. I mean, that would make sense. I'm just using this Tesco's one, by the way. It's nothing posh or anything. You could make this pastry fresh, really, but I'm obviously not going to do that because I'm a baker. We need the sausages. Here a minute. We got our sausages, and we're going to get them. And this bit's really important. You need to take the casing off of them, because if you don't, they will end up having like skin in your sausage rolls. It doesn't like affect it too much, it's just really unpleasant because they're just like skin. Just peel it off like this. And I think you can probably fit like 3 or 4 sausages in one piece of pastry. It's out. It's our sausage roll. Now you can cut it into bits, or you can just eat it like that if you want. On our little bite-sized bits. You can make them into like actual like sausage rolls if you want, but now I need to make cute little cuts in them. They've all got these cute little slits in them now, I'll show you. There you go. And just do the same on the other side. We're done. This is actually for garlic paste, but it can be used for this too, okay? Hey! The sausage roll chin is coming down. And now we need to coat them in this lovely golden goo. So I like to do it really even. You don't have to do it as perfectly as I do, but I just like doing it. If you coat it really evenly, it just kind of it helps them cook all golden. Eggs are covered in ham. This is what they look like. They're all like evenly coated with egg, as you can see. And they're kind of evenly spaced out too. And so now we can put them in the oven, which is, well, was supposed to be on at 180 degrees, but it's off now. Who turned it off? Why'd they do it? It's warm. Let's put them in the oven. Cook. We'll put 12 minutes on and just keep checking up on them every now and then. Oodala, oodala, oodala. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing ASMR kitchen version. Watch me, you stupid. Sounds great, doesn't it? Kitchen ASMR. I hope this relaxes you. Kitchen ASMR. Kitchen ASMR. Oh. Kitchen ASMR. Kitchen ASMR. Kitchen ASMR. Kitchen ASMR. Kitchen ASMR. You ASMR. What would you say if I emerged from the darkness of the pantry? Hello. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, or I'll lose my mind. It's lost. Turn the oven up to 190 degrees and put it on for another 5 minutes.
You do not deserve life after death.
What would you say if I told you that 99% of people who come here don't live? Daniel, I love you.
Well, I don't love you. What would you say? I'm a cupboard-dwelling, soul-crushing demon. But in the best way possible. 3 minutes left until sanity is lost and sausage rolls are ready. 9 minutes left until I go crazy. 0 minutes until my sanity is lost. And the sausage rolls are ready. Here they are. What do you have to say for yourself?
So here's the sausage roll.
It's a little bit hot. Hello humans. We're making a recipe that I have been famous for in my family for a while now. Naan bread pizzas. It's a very simple recipe. First ingredient, naan breads. We have these mini ones, but you can use any size naan breads. But one of these is one pizza, so it serves one person. Now we need the tomato puree. We got a new one this time. And now we're gonna spread it. The first time I made these, it was for food tech in the school. They called it pizza toast, but I don't like that because you're not actually toasting it. I don't like that name, so I call it naan bread pizza. First time I made it, oh my god, it was heaven. I've never been able to make it to that level of perfection ever since. The layers. This should hopefully be on a similar level. Now I need cheese. I thought it would have been opened, you know.
If you're looking for a nice simple dinner,
This works. And if you don't have naan breads, you can use wraps. I did that multiple times and everyone liked it, so they look cheesy. And now I'm just gonna have a cheese one because that's what I like, but I think my brother wants pepperoni. I don't know what my dad wants. Father just wants his plain too. So we've got 2 cheese pizzas and 1 salami pizza. So I'm going to put a little bitty bit more cheese on my brother's pizza. Down 180? Yeah, I'll do that. These are such cute little pizzas. I'm so happy. And it's pulsating. It literally just finished. And I'm gonna see. Oh, yep, they're good. They took about 12 minutes in the oven. So let's cut it up.
okay, let's try it.
They're so cheesy and nice.